everyone, welcome back to our channel App Hacks, and on this video I'm gonna guide you how to unblock someone on Facebook Messenger. So to get started, you need to first open Facebook Messenger. Make sure to sign in on your Messenger account. Then what you need to do is on the chat section, you need to open the chat that you have previously blocked, the chat and the user. Suppose I found this chat easily, but what if you don't find that chat easily that you have blocked on Facebook Messenger? So for now, once you reach on the section, you can simply tap on unblock and unblock this chat. But let me show you the another way if you don't find in case the chat that you have blocked previously. For that, you need to simply tap on the upper left corner 3-line icon, and on this expanded menu, tap on the gear icon at the upper right corner. Now scroll all the way down and tap on privacy and safety. Now scroll down and tap on blocked accounts, and from here you can easily view all the blocked chats and the user on Facebook Messenger, and you can simply select the user that you want to unblock and tap on unblock button at the bottom of the screen. So now that user has already been unblocked on Facebook Messenger. Now you can easily send the messages to this user on the Messenger and enjoy the conversation with this user. So this is how you can easily unblock someone on Facebook Messenger. I hope you found this video useful. If this video was useful, then hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification bell of our channel so that you won't miss any videos from our channel. Thank you guys.